Okay, so anti-aging moisturizer. This is speaking my language. Okay guys, with my mom for another video. We are doing our third unboxing in the same plaid shirt. This is how we roll. We are not pretending, we're not changing. We are trying to do as much as we can because I am on a little trip this week and I'm trying to get ahead of my life. So we have a box that says Untappables, and I didn't open it, so I don't know what it says. It says Untappables for social media detox. So it looks like little thumbnails or something that you put on your fingers. I guess it's like if you don't want to, if you feel like you don't want to hit your phone. Like if there, I don't know, like if you don't want to be able to go on your phone, you put these thumbnails on your fingers. Let's see what this is about. Dear Vera, we spend too much time on our smartphones. Come on, you knew that. Oh, it's Band-Aids.
Rubber fingers on?
Oh, how funny. Oh, they're Band-Aids. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, so Untappables. So it's sort of like a new campaign saying, hey, if you feel like you need a break and you feel like, listen, I'm on the phone too much. I literally cannot stop myself from getting on the phone. You can open up a Band-Aid and like prevent your thumbprint from opening your phone, is what they're saying. Like don't let yourself, or like if your index finger, if you can't tap anymore, your phone won't work if you put the Band-Aid on the phone. That's pretty funny. All right, Band-Aid, I like what you're doing there. So to deter social media usage, apply the pad to your forefinger and your thumb. Cute. So I guess you can use these as like a little emergency pods and keep them in your purse. And also if you have a cut, you will be prepared for that as well. So very good. I thought they were little thimbles. I thought they were thimbles, and they ended up being Band-Aids, so they tricked me. Okay, so It Cosmetics, they love me. I love It Cosmetics. They keep getting stuff from them, and it's like one of my favorite boxes to get every month.
Keep it cool.
Keep it cool. Let's keep it cool. All right, let's see what they have going on here. I'm so excited because I needed a new eyebrow pencil. All right, so keep it cool. Let's see what we have here. Brow powder. Ooh, this is light. I'm concerned. I wonder, oh, it says universal taupe. Okay, so maybe this is fine. So we have a universal taupe pencil. Let's look at the color. I never can do it. I can never do it this way because it's reversed.
My eyebrows are gray.
I don't know what I just did. It's hard for me to do it reversed. It looks okay. I really have a hard time doing things reversed. This is the Brow Power, Universal Brow Power, Universal Taupe. This looks much lighter than what I thought, but it actually, it looks like it blended in. No, I mean lighter. I'm sorry. It looked lighter. It looked lighter. CC cream for days. Hold on. We have a lot of colors to go through. Ooh. Color correction cream. Like you see this like little pimple I have here. Let's try to cover it up. Let's see what color I am. I'm going to go at medium. So color correction, it's anti-aging and hydrating, and it covers. So it's CC is like an all-in-one. It's your moisturizer, it's your cover. This might be too dark. It's your it gives a little bit of everything that you need. It's not just foundation. It also has like anti-aging factors to it. Yeah, you see it covers up that red for me. I have one up here too.
What am I doing?
Well, wherever you have a blemish, or if you have any discoloring, dark spots, sunspots, wherever you feel like you need that coverage, you could blend it in with the rest of your skin. I'm super dehydrated, guys. Do you see what's going on here? I mean, usually I use a a brush. That's what I'm doing. I already have makeup on, so I don't want to mess it up. I'm just gently putting it on over me. So let's see what else I can tell you about this. Color corrective, full coverage cream, anti-aging hydrating. It's pretty much what I just said. Protective shield. Apply a smooth and even layer to your face. So if I had my brush, I would do it all over, but I mean, we're just doing this quickly over here. Oh, here we go. So clinically shows 100% show improved hydration, 96% saw soft, smooth skin, 85% show an improvement in the appearance of wrinkles, and 77% saw pores appeared minimized. So you're darker than me, so I wonder. Yeah, it looks good. Don't be so rough. Now, but you have blush on your face, right?
Just a little bit.
Let's see, you might be tan.
Tan.
You're not tan. You look tan.
I don't even tan anymore.
I know, but you're naturally tan.
I use the for my tan.
This is the best brush on the market. So the last time they sent me a brush, I threw my Bobbi Brown brush right in the garbage. I'm sorry, Bobbi Brown. I hate to say bad things about products, and I hardly do. But every time I used my Bobbi Brown brush, the bristles of the brush would be all over my face, and then I would have to sit there and pick off the bristles from the brush. It was the most annoying thing, and I was doing it for months. So the last month that they sent me one of these brushes, these bags, they sent me their brush, and I have been using it since, and it is glorious. So if you need any brushes, I highly recommend that you swap over to a cosmetic, any of the brushes. I don't even care. This one says Heavenly Luxe number 7. I don't necessarily need a new brush. This is for conceal. But I'm still using the one that I got last month, and it wasn't this one, it was a much thicker one, but any of their brushes will do. Okay, so this is a 3-in-1 makeup melting cleansing balm.
Wow.
I've never heard of this, and I've never used this. I always smell things. This is cleaning solution. This is how you clean stuff. I love that. We're gonna look into that. Okay, pressed powder. We have pressed powder. Miracle Water Tonic. I love this as well. Let's talk about that for a little bit. I'm going to get back to this. I want to talk about the cleaning balm. I have to read about that. 3-in-1 Glow Tonic. Skin brightening, anti-aging, and skin softening cleanser. So basically, after you wash your face, this is like step 2. So you wash your face, and then you use this to make sure you get rid of any residue that you may have left. So sometimes there's a little soap left on your face or whatever your story is. To apply, saturate a cotton pad and sweep it across your face. So here's another thing, like sometimes at night I'm like lazy and I'll use those makeup wipes and I'll take my makeup off before I go to sleep. This is a really great thing to use because when you use those makeup wipes, whatever's on the makeup wipe is still on your face. This will get rid of that. So this is actually a really great size. I wonder if they sell this. I don't know if this is the size that they actually sell. It says not for sale, resale, because they're sending it to me as a sample. But I know they have a much larger size than this. I wonder if they sell this size as well. This is a great travel size. I'm curious to see if they have that on the market, but toner and things like that, that's like a lost art. Nobody talks about that. I use toner every day. This sort of falls in line with that. Like after you wash your face, that step 2, nobody really does that anymore because we're all so busy. I mean, everyone washes and then moisturizes, but nobody does that in between anymore. So this product is definitely, lately it's definitely, I've been seeing more about it and brands are definitely making more noise about it, and this is something that you should consider 110%. Last thing, okay, under eye, I use this a lot. Bye Bye Under Eye. Not this small, I have it in a different form, but this is full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. Do you use this? Let's see what color you are.
What's the secret sauce?
I don't know, I haven't gotten to it yet. This is light, you're not light. Medium, why don't you try medium? And when you put under your eye, you want to use your ring finger and you want to tap like this, Mom. Look, do not rub.
Right.
Tap.
Or you need a scissor or something. So
Here. Okay, so while you're talking about that, let's talk about the cleansing balm. I want to know about the cleansing balm because I've never seen this. 3-in-1 hydrating sulfate-free cleanser, purifying instant makeup remover, and anti-aging skin softening serum removes all traces of makeup, even waterproof, without stripping your skin. Amazing. Amazing. I love it. I love, 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 love it. So this is all good stuff. You're gonna try that. Yeah, put that in your eye like this. You gotta maybe take your glasses off. And then while you're doing that, let's look at this last thing. Secret sauce.
Yeah, what's that?
Clinically advanced, miraculous, anti-aging moisturizer. Yeah, perfect.
Right.
It looks bright. This sounds incredible. I have so many products to use. What is this? I have to smell everything. I can't help it. I can't help it. I literally have to smell everything. So I already have makeup on. It smells so good. I'll put it on my neck. And then when you're doing this, they always say to like push up on your neck because you don't want to push down. But then when you're really putting on makeup, I always end up pushing down because that's just like a natural habit of mine, but I'm conscious of it. I'm always like, don't pull your skin. But then I can't help it. I put my moisturizer on and then I push down. But you're not supposed to. You're supposed to push. You're not supposed to pull at your skin, right? I'm 40. You're not supposed to be pulling at anything at 40. And really, you know, whatever you do to your face, you do to your neck. So I always end up bringing the serums down, bringing the moisturizer down. And I'm always like, stop pulling at your skin.
Gravity.
So don't do that. Okay, so anti-aging moisturizer. This is speaking my language. Does this have any more information? Hold on. Instantly hydrate and transform your skin with this luxurious, clinically advanced moisturizer that's infused with a combination of penetration-enhancing fermented ingredients for anti-aging results. Okay, so, I mean, it's like, that's like step 3, right? I mean, that's definitely something that we have to put as part of our lives. I am, in my world now, this is all I'm looking for. Anti-aging, like, magical, yes. Okay. Yep. That's who I am. Not even gonna pretend. I'm not gonna sit here and go, no, I'm gonna age gracefully. No, I'm sorry, I'm not. I'm not gonna age gracefully. I'm gonna go down in flames because I'm gonna have so much anti-aging whatever on my face. They're gonna be like, she's on fire. Why is she on fire? Because she has so much product on her that she actually imploded from the inside out. That's who I am. I am the lotion and potion queen. I should start a new website. Lotion and Potion Queen, Anti-Aging 101. I mean, this is who I am. I am not in the 20s and 30s anymore. I am all about this. I want to know about every single thing that comes out on the market, and I want to test it all. So it has definitely caught my eye. There's certain brands that are into, they get it. They get that this is a market, and this is one of the brands that do just that. What? You look fabulous. You look good. I wish you would use the stuff I give you. Will you use it?
I'll try.
She won't use it. But she looks good, my mother, right? How old are you?
66 Monday.
Right? Pretty good. She looks pretty good. We're on a mission now, me and my mother. Until next time.